tripod's going in the sea?
Yeah. First time in months.
Yeah, no, it's been a long time.
About 3 months.
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks nice.
That's nice. Sounds good for rat dogs.
What?
Rat dogs. So, it's only a little
Do you
dog.
not like dogs?
Oh, he's okay with them.
It's very fun.
Thank you.
Not that. What's Mummy doing? Mummy's leaving the tent all alone.
Alright, look.
Dangerous. Someone could steal our blanket.
Or my phone.
I'm freezing. Are you cold?
No, of course not.
How are you not cold? I can't go back in again.
Go on then, back in. I'm right here, Luke. We should have washed his face before he went in. How's it going? We go back then. Shall I hold your board? We're going back then. Huh?
I know mine.
You do like an interesting rock, don't you?
Yeah, that looks like an egg. Kind of actually looks like an egg.
There is a lovely shelter.
A lovely little shelter. Best shelter you can get for a beach. To explore. Shall we put that in the rock collection? Shall we see how far I can get?
Not so deep.
And straight to the think so.
Guys, you know the water is so cold. How many degrees do you think it's Daddy?
Probably 10.
Seriously cold. I don't know why it's doing it. Not sure. I don't see any people. I don't think it's cold. I can see maybe Don't go too deep.
You got it? It's like perfection.
It just went off. There's no one swimming, guys, except Luke and the one that's short over there.
Okay, I got the farthest I can get.
You want the towel?
Definitely. Mummy, Daddy, this shield is open.
Okay.
Turn round.
No, that's my face.
Oh.
Mummy, Daddy, that's the farthest I can get. Should I tell you how bad it was?
How bad?
It got over my head. Which I
No.
That's impressive.
You're so red now.
I felt so scared.
Nak, are you sure you don't want the towel?
I'm sure. Can you? I think Daddy can get way farther.
Dressed in the now.
Mummy,
No, I
with
don't.
a shield.
It's really cold, Nak. I can't
Mummy,
tolerate
can
the
I get
light.
with you?
Huh?
Can I do it with you?
I don't want to go in the water
Let's see how
anymore.
good I am with you.
It's too cold. I don't know how you do it.
Mummy, I have a shield. I just do this.
You can go over there
Mommy,
with
can
the
you come
other
with
two
me?
children and play
Can
with
you
them.
come with me?
Go
Shall I
over
show you how I
there
do it?
and
Shall I
play
show
with
you how I
them.
do it?
Go over there.
Mummy, Daddy, can I show you how I do it?
All right.
I just put the shield in front of the highest I can protect it nose. If it's really high like over there, I have to cover my face.
You're so red, Nak Nak.
Yeah.
Daddy is moving in.
Do you
Now
guys
he's
think I
going.
can? Do you want? Is Daddy? I think you're going. Do you want to come with me? Shall I help you? Or should you help me since I'm short? Or I get the pen? Okay, and then you can. Not those. So you can.
Why you didn't try the new shorts that you got? It's probably smaller.
Daddy says he's
These
gonna
are the
help me.
first ones I found.
Yeah, that makes sense. Mummy, you want me to charge in? You dare me to charge in? Okay, good.
Even putting my head on.
It's really cold. are swimming over there, so they're preparing to swim. You probably think if I can't swim, it's probably good.
Mummy,
Yeah, it looks like.
Mummy, Daddy, can you two help me get far over there? You think we could get over far? Can all of us go?
My shirt.
Just take your shirt off and show off your
why
black
didn't you
belly.
take it off? You didn't bring extra?
I didn't expect it. No, I didn't.
Oh god.
Then you'll have to. Oh my god! Oh my god, I'm literally making wet sand. I'm gonna build a sand castle out of wet sand. I'm making a sand castle. I'm building. Since I'm
Right,
so
go back in.
with you.
Yeah.
Oh good. Daddy, can you help me up? I feel too weak. Not very comfortable for my private
This is toast.
Hey! Oh, the toes to show.
Doubt.
No, doesn't look cool.
So I don't know if it's the blue one.
Can you wipe my chin?
Ugh.
Can you wipe it? Thanks. Oh, my face just went by. Ah! I love the head. The toes. I love the head, a floating head with toes. Daddy, you know what I don't like about the Mr. Bean cartoon?
What?
Is that all the characters' feet are levitating. And Mr. Bean's feet are levitating.
Oh, okay.
Literally. Their feet levitate.
There you
I
go.
do that when he wears shoes. When I wear shoes. Nearly as good as I thought it was, literally. Didn't need to do that.
Yay.
Not out yet. Still not.
Oh, look, there's a big boat over there.
Ah! I saw that a long time ago. I saw that big thing a long time ago.
What, big red one?
Yeah, I've seen that a long
It's
time.
been there all afternoon.
Yeah,
So
I've
there's
seen it the entire
Another
day.
set over there.
Practically,
As well.
since we got over there, which it's flooded, lucky we went back.
That ship will be waiting for his appointment.
What should we do?
That's
Why?
Rat dance.
Okay, fine. It's kind of hard on sand. I'm better on pavement.
Yeah.
Well, this is a bit hard, it's not flat. Can someone make this flat so I can do
But it was
Oh,
flat.
a little bit over there.
Let's fluff it. Yeah, up this way.
She's
I need some more room. Can I have a plate?
Huh?
Have
plate?
Double plate. Double plate. Plates are always good to bring when you go to the beach.
They are. Yeah.
Yes. Yeah, you can use them around. I want it to be harder. I feel like
Am I
this.
filming? Should I film?
Yes. You can film behind the scenes. You won't get behind the scenes.
So this video, guys, is also a test for our DJI Osmo. I forgot what it's called. Pro 5 Pro, I think. I'm not sure. But Luke is wearing one of the mic. Look, can you say something?
Yeah.
So I'll go
Everyone,
far and see if he can still hear. Look, can you say something?
Yeah.
And Daddy.
Daddy,
No, I can't see it.
say something, Luke.
Just
Say
talk.
something, Luke.
So I don't know if it will
I've gone a lot better at rat
or
dance than last
I'm
time.
not really reading
Blue,
fully notes.
Bluetooth is like 15, 25 feet, isn't it?
Really?
Mm.
Wait, can I do something? Which rat dance is better, my old one or the one I'm going to show you? And not been shown
It's
on my
also
team.
testing if
Can I show you my team? Which rat dance is better, my old one or my new one? Son?
it also would test the noise reduction from the
I'm kind of bad at my old rat
and the
dance.
wind. So
Wait, shall I show you my tip rat dance campaign from?
we didn't
The
try
old and
dipping in
new.
the water.
Yep.
though.
So time to do rat
Because
dance
Stu
from
said
old
it's
to
better than
new.
try it in the
Shall I do old rat dance compared to my new one?
Uh huh.
Time to do my old. That's my old. That's how I used to do it. But shall I do how I now do it? Which one is better?
both.
Which one is the better?
Which one is better, Daddy?
Oh, I didn't see the second one. I was covering my foot up.
Start again.
Which one?
Start.
The old one or new one?
Both.
Which one shall I start with?
The old one.
Okay. Wait. That's it. Okay, that's my old one. Pretty bad. I'd say my new one's better.
New one is.
Okay, wait. I'm starting now.
Okay. I'm getting that. Yeah. Yeah,
I'll
new
say
one's
something.
better.
The new one. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah, my new one, because I do better with the legs and the arms. When I watch videos, I need to actually do this instead of this. Want me to help you cover your leg? Can I help? Cover your leg?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. It's disgusting touching your feet.
Why?
Because they're little feet. With all the hair.
What's wrong with my feet?
Oh,
And the other end, which you can
every
walk
single foot. Cheese.
around the edge. But there behind it is the
Can I
other
get a
beach
plate?
we went before. What do you call the other beach, Daddy, that we went before? one behind it?
Yeah. Botany Babe or Botany, I don't know.
Barnes or something. I will put it on the side of the screen.
It might be Botany Bay, something like
Yeah, I'm
that.
gonna have a look at it on YouTube because I did post a video.
I'm
about
covering both of them. Hope you don't mind.
You know, there's a plant over there that's really low. Is that a cactus?
Dad, don't move your foot.
Like the
Don't
one
make
that's
it
pointy, the
hard.
one with the red one.
Wait, do you want to film?
After the, you know,
Wait,
the tent.
do you want to film? You want to film
Just
me and Daddy
a
going
few
in the
meters
water?
to the.
Oh, there? No, it's Centranthus.
Chalk. I'm putting
Centranthus.
chalk on Daddy's leg. Why is chalk very common?
Yeah.
Like
I found like
this box.
a lot of chalk. Yeah. Look at that digging I am. You think I'm good at digging? Look at this. It's really good. What should we do?
I think I can hear when you're talking. Look, I think I can see the green one going up and down. So that's probably the volume.
So I have a question.
Yeah.
What should we do?
I don't know. What do you want to do?
Well, I don't know.
I think we need.
I've gone in the
next time
water. I went over
to
to
test
collect
the-
shells, which sadly the place has
The camera guy is
drowned.
going in the water.
Hmm.
It drowned not so long ago.
But
The
still
place.
said not to trust it.
Mummy took an hour getting shells. Definitely an hour.
Yeah, but we can't go in the water at that time. I was very cold and very gloomy.
Do you think we could go
So
now?
at least go home.
Wait, no, I mean go into the water then.
Oh, I don't want to.
Hell no!
I'm already dry.
I've just dried out from the last time.
You can go if you want.
I don't want to go alone.
I don't want to go. Like, if it's very warm, I wouldn't mind going in the water.
I really wish you two would
I'm
want
still
to,
feeling
but
cold even with my clothes.
Bruh,
See
Mummy,
ya.
don't be such a scaredy bat.
I'm not very good with cold.
Scaredy bat.
Yes. What is Batman when he fights every bad guy two together?
He's a tough bat.
No, he's a scaredy bat.
Is he?
Yeah, if
That
every
is
single
pretty good.
bad
I
guy
like this
teaming
camera.
together against him, they
Good.
I wish I
knows
can use this.
he'd be scaredy bat.
There's no zoom though. I don't know
Get
how to
it,
use the
scaredy
zoom
cat,
if there is a
scaredy
zoom
bat.
in this one.
Get
Maybe
it,
the
he's a bat.
screen.
Oh, yeah, might be a.
Can't even do it.
Do you like the joke I just said?
Oh, I don't know, guys.
How does Batman feel when he's about to be defeated?
Battered.
No, a scaredy bat.
Uh-huh.
He's a scaredy bat when he's fighting every bad guy. God.
But that's it.
I have a different question. Which bad guy wins the most?
Huh?
Which bad guy wins the most?
I don't know. Oh, I know.
Penguin. No, the penguin.
When?
Yeah, you have to say it out.
I think that's what I said. Penguin.
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 I said penguin. I said penguin.
The penguins every
Yeah,
time.
you know, the penguin from Batman, remember him?
I say bye
remember
bye to
him.
the vlog.
Bye-bye, Echo Jennifer. Okay, now sign
Bye
off.
bye.
Bye-bye,
Daddy, you
normal
got rookie
people.
moves.